How to use NFC and enable NFC in your iPhone. Let's get started. So what is NFC? NFC stands for Near Field Communication, and it's a feature that lets your iPhone communicate with nearby devices or tags. It's commonly used for contactless payments, tickets, access card, and scanning NFC tags. To use NFC for payments or ticket, you simply bring your iPhone near to an NFC reader. Your wallet app should appear automatically. If prompted, double-click on the side button to confirm, and your iPhone will scan the NFC reader instantly. Now, if you want to scan NFC tag manually, open up Shortcut application in your mobile device. Then tap on Automation, tap on New Automation, and scroll below, tap on NFC, and just like that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Scan. Your iPhone will start searching for nearby NFC tags. Just hold your iPhone close to NFC tag to scan it. That's it. That is how you can enable NFC and use NFC in your mobile device. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.